Roller coaster ride still happening with finances in America, printing money, Treasury talking, stimulus bill. Sorting it all out, Eric from SBC, let's talk about this. If you were in Vegas predicting the odds in football, you'd be the richest man in Vegas right now. Every prediction you seem to be making about what was happening in precious metals seems to be coming true right now.
Well, honestly, a lot of the predictions are just coming from common knowledge. It's not like we're trying to call a market on a single day, but we're looking at the long-term prediction, and that's why it's becoming so accurate. I mean, you keep doing what you're doing, you keep printing the money the way you're doing it, and you're driving the gold prices. Now, we hit an all-time high, which, I mean, $2,000 is within pocket change away from us crossing that level for the first time in history. But, you know, a significant number was broken, and we went all the way past 1900, past 1950, all the way up to, what, 1980. And we were just, you know, around 20 bucks away from hitting 2,000. So
you know what people are going to say? Should have bought before, too late now. Is that the case necessarily?
You know, it's still not the case yet. And I've gotten very little resistance from our clientele when it comes to buying more. We have had it must be 9-to-1 right now when it comes to buyers versus sellers. So the real problem is, once again, and I've been talking about this with you guys, inventory. Inventory is becoming a bigger and bigger strain on us, and even though it's slowed down a little bit a few weeks ago, once we crossed that 1900 platform, I mean, now it's higher than it's ever been.
Well, a couple of things we've talked about and I've learned from you guys is it's not an all or nothing proposition with a retirement account. It's not either or. You can mix it up, and you should. But the other thing is that there's more than one product. It's not just gold or just silver. Aren't there different products within each?
Absolutely, and especially in silver right now. I mean, silver, people are willing to spend, I mean, like your cheapest online companies out there might be charging a $10.50 premium above a $23 spot price. I mean, you're talking about, you know, over 30% margins on some of these products right now. And meanwhile, if you consult with a broker that knows what they're doing, there's other products that will still give you a lot of the same movement as, you know, the silver spot price, if you would, but with products that might have a more favorable outcome on margin when it comes to the all-time highs versus the all-time lows versus, you know, what the product costs and the margin that you're going to pay to actually purchase that product. So, you know, rather than just putting something in a shopping cart, that's where we come in, and we're able to help people figure out what the right product might be at this time.
That was going to be my question, because you can go online and do a lot of things online. I recommend that people go get the information from your website, but without the advice of someone that knows what you're buying, that's when people get into trouble, right? Because it's not one size fits all, and what might be right in my situation might not be right in yours.
I have to agree with that, and right now, more so than ever, I would say.
But why?
The reason why is because you can get taken advantage of very quickly right now. When people are chasing trains, they tend to fall down on the you know, that chase. So we're going to make sure that we're not chasing trains, and that we're buying something that is going to be the right time for the right person, that's going to give you the right rate of return for the future.
That's why I always appreciate the expertise. What you're going to do financially matters. The decisions you make now obviously affect your future. Go to the website. There's a lot of great free information there. But for all of your needs, give them a call, make an appointment. Knowledge is king, and these are the kings with the knowledge. So thank you.
Thank you.